Well, this conference is exploring powerful themes relating to changing the way projects are delivered, industrializing construction, digitalizing the design and project management process, and those same technologies and practices, when applied to nuclear energy, can move nuclear energy from a project-based delivery model to a product-based delivery model. And this enables manufactured nuclear products, nuclear reactors or nuclear power sources. We like to call them heat boxes. And it means a delivery model that can lower the cost of those systems and make them available to a much broader range of decarbonization needs in society and the economy. I think the construction industry faces the same challenges around the whole world, that there's a strong tendency to resist the kind of transformation that we're talking about here at this conference. But there are also very big opportunities for companies that can adopt these new approaches and change the way they deliver. And the nuclear industry is very similar to the large infrastructure industry or the other mega projects like airports or other very large, long projects which are difficult to manage and often go over budget. So by bringing these new approaches into the delivery of nuclear projects, we think there are the same kind of opportunities as there are in the traditional building industry to make more profitable, faster delivery and better quality, creating value for all the stakeholders.